Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be adding the LED DRL light bar from Extreme Online Store on my Corvette C8. All right, so basically they're lights that replace this whole piece right here and even all the way down right here. And it even syncs up to like turn signal, hazards, literally everything. It looks crazy. I'm really excited to get this put on, so let's get right into it. All right, we're getting this bad boy on the lift right now.
We're gonna start off by taking off the wheels. Obviously we have a lift, but not everyone has that. So you can do it at home with a jack, just some roll up ramps. Get a jack here. Get a jack here. You wanna be careful where you're doing it. There's a good guide is there's those two bolts that bolt into the cross member. You can use those as a jacking point. You wanna avoid jacking up on the fender and all that, the side skirt and all that stuff.
Don't wanna break that.
No. But basically we need to get the front end up in the air, and we can take off the shield, the belly panning shield. We can have access to the back clips and bolts.
Let's go.
So now that we got the wheel off, we're gonna start by taking off this fender lining. And it's just a series of T15 bolts. You're gonna get them. A lot of them, there's a couple, there's a clip or two. You're gonna have to take this off by pulling it this way and coming out that way.
All right, basically just removed everything under the car right here. Look at that. But now time to get the fender liner out.
Yep, these luxurious fender liners, time to remove them.
You're not blue.
Woo!
Then we're gonna remove this
7mm, and she'll just pop right off.
Getting it out right here. I did all of the work. Look at that.
She's out.
Okay, let's see the comparison. Yeah, that's
Garbage.
build quality. Oh,
It's thin.
got some sparkles on it though.
All right, so we're gonna start off by putting it in here. And then you're gonna see a little rubber gasket down there. All right, now that you get the wire fed, you wanna get these two clips. So there's these clips over here on this side. Get those adjusted first. And then
Very fragile.
I have to add a little bit of pressure. Just make sure that you're being careful.
All right, bolting it all together so they don't fall off. Look at that. Whoa. Just got this side out. Look at that. All right, everything's dialed in. It's ready to go, but now time, we just gotta plug in this light.
Plug in the harness and we're good to go.
Yep, whatever that means. Got it all tucked in. We're gonna start working on everything else tomorrow, so this video will catch up tomorrow, because can't work all day, you know?
Yep, we got a family and kids to feed.
You got kids to feed, Unk.
No.
Oh.
Yo, this is sick.
That's so
Dang.
bright.
Good Extreme. This is sick. We need freaking more carbon. You need the rest carbon now. That looks so sick, bro. Dang.
Looks like a Charizard.
We're putting that on Instagram right now. It does look like Charizard, huh?
Oh my god. All right, it's the next day. My car's inside. I'm pretty sure it's all done now. We just had to let some glue stay overnight, but got that M4 right here. Ooh, pretty tough. All right, the front lights look literally insane. I mean, look at this car. You can't really tell that much because there's still so much light in the shot, but like this side, dude, it literally looks so aggressive.
The animation is cool on those.
Release. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get us to 100K subs.